Hello, kids! Let's learn shapes! Circle, circle, big and round, like a ball rolling on the ground. Circle, circle, look at me, like a wheel we can see. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle too. Circle, square, triangle, shapes for me and you. Square, square, 1, 2, 3, 4, like a window or a box. Square, square, look and see, 4 sides for you and me. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle too. Circle, square, triangle, shapes for me and you. Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3, like a pizza slice for me. Triangle, triangle, point up high, like a little slice of pie. Rectangle, rectangle, long and tall, like a door on the wall. Rectangle, rectangle, look again, like a book or a phone. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle too. Circle, square, triangle. Good job, kids! Woo!